Land revenue collection system during British East India Company between 18th century and 19th century. Here we will try to understand revenue collection system. Here we have two parties. One is peasant or farmer and another is company, that is East India Company. We will call it state. Peasant has to part with a part of agricultural produce as a land tax, and this land tax is a source of income known as revenue for the company. As the source of this revenue is land tax, so it is known as land revenue. Now there are three ways or three options of collecting land revenue. First option is state or company directly collects land tax from an individual peasant. Second option is state or company collects land tax from a group of peasants of particular locality. And the third option is state or company uses traditional zamindar for collecting land tax. A portion of land tax is retained by zamindar and the rest goes to a state. These three options of revenue collection system has been discussed here, and these are Rayatwadi system, Rayatwadi settlement, Mahalwadi settlement, and permanent settlement. Now we will discuss these systems one by one. Now come to Rayatwadi settlement. Rayat is a Persian word. The meaning of Rayat is peasant or farmer, and Wari means like or wise, means Rayat wise. In Rayatwadi settlement, land tax is collected from every Rayat individually. So this system is known as Rayatwadi settlement. Now come to Mahalwadi settlement. The word Mahal is again of Persian origin, and its meaning is locality or place. And again, Wari has same meaning, like or wise. If the collection is mahal wise or locality wise, then it is known as Mahalwadi settlement. This mahal or locality may be a village or group of villages. Now come to famous permanent settlement. Here landlord collects land tax from farmer and keeps meager 1/10 portion with himself and transfers 9/10 portion to the company. Now we will have a comparative look towards these three systems. Permanent settlement is related to Lord, Lord Cornwallis, and permanent settlement came into force in the year 1793 in Bengal, and later on it was extended to Bihar and other parts. Mahalwadi settlement was done by Mackenzie, Mackenzie, and it came into force in 1820s, and the area under consideration was Ganga Yamuna Doab. Means the region between Ganga and Yamuna. And Rayatwadi settlement credit goes to Thomas Munro, and it was introduced in Mysore and Carnatic. With this, we end